Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. High data accuracy produced by computer. A. Analog. B. Digital. C. Hybrid. D. None of the above. And the answer is digital. Second question. Which one of the following is the oldest storage device? A. Paper tape. B. Magnetic tape. C. Magnetic disk. D. Magnetic core. And the answer is paper tape. Third question. The communication port is used for A. Mouse connection. B. Printer connection. C. Modem connection. D. Monitor connection. And the answer is modem connection. Fourth question. Modem is connected with A. Parallel port. B. Serial port. C. USB. D. COM port. And the answer is COM port. Fifth question. Which of the following is the low-level language? A. Assembly. B. Machine. C. C. D. Natural language. And the answer is machine. Sixth question. Which one is removable disk? A. Zip disk. B. Pen drive. C. Floppy disk. D. All of above. And the answer is all of above. Seventh question. The capacity of compact disk is A. 100 kilobytes. B. 250 megabytes. C. 650 megabytes. D. 2000 megabytes. And the answer is 650 megabytes. Eighth question. Which is not hardware? A. Keyboard. B. Mouse. C. Printer. D. C drive. And the answer is C drive. Ninth question. The content of ROM can be erased by supplying electric charge? A. PROM. B. EPROM. C. EPROM. D. OFPROM. And the answer is EPROM. 10th question. The abacus was originated from A. China. B. Korea. C. Japan. D. USA. And the answer is China. Subscribe. To continue the learning and preparation,